Hi everyone, welcome to another of my unboxing videos. And this time I've got something different. It's a cabin baggage. It's not a gadget, it's a simple luggage, cabin baggage which we can carry in the flight whenever you're going by plane to some other city or some other country. Buying a cabin baggage was a bit troublesome because normally we have companies like State, Skybags or VIP, and I was not able to find a good quality or good design among those brands. So I wanted to go for something like Delse, which is, but those bags are on the higher end side. So I got a new company, which is probably the startup. I'm not much sure about it. It may be a startup or it may be a company which is working out of India till now, but it just came in India. So the company name is Assembly Luggage, and here I bought a pretty retro looking bag or a cabin baggage of Assembly Luggage. Uh, so yeah, let me introduce you and show you how this looks like. So this was shipped to me around a week back, and I was occupied by some of my other things, so I was not able to open it. So excitement is same for me as it is for you. So let's see what is inside. And it's couriered to me by Blue Dart. Okay, so in beginning I have bills. And here I present you my assembly luggage, cabin package. So packing wise, it's really good. Uh, this box is having the prints which is of assembly altogether inside it. So it's not any common box. So this is the box they came from the company side. So this is their logo of assembly. And they have even gave me a cover for this bag, which is really nice of them, so that I can store my bag safely whenever I'm not using it. So yeah, this is really good add-on. And here they have even given me a personalized tag which is having my name on it, Ayush. So that's so nice of them. Just keep it here. Now let me open it up. And does not this look beautiful? So it's a retro color, it's grey plus white in the front side, and this does look great. So a really good thing about this bag is, which I liked bit, is this pocket. So it's really helpful pocket. I can keep my laptops or my novels inside it, and something inside it. Okay, it's just a tag given with them. Okay, this looks good. And now let me show you what's inside the bag. But for that, I have to open this. Or is it? Yeah, lock, and it's just a push open. So let me just keep it down and show you what's inside it. This is first time in my life I bought this hard luggage. Till now I was using backpacks which were more comfortable for me, but because of a demand from somebody else I bought this and just to try it out. How, and yeah. So there's one more good thing given by assembly is like some cubes for keeping my luggage more organized. So I can see this is one, and this is second, this is third one. Do I have something else inside it? Oh yeah, they have given some more things inside there. Wow. I can even carry my shampoo or my hair oil or conditioner inside it. So these are some few good things given by assembly. I think the other brands doesn't get. yeah, quality looks good. And assembly also gives a warranty of 5 years on entire build, even tires and all. So hopefully it would be easy to claim warranty in case of any issues. I think it's open this side also. Yeah, overall the bag looks neat. Even the design wise, this color white, I'm not sure if you are able to see in the video, but it's dull white, it's matte finish, and this is something which I like more than like shiny or bright white. Yeah, overall this bag looks good. Let me just close this up. Is it a lock or something? I'm not even, yeah. Yeah, so size wise, even a new size is pretty good. It looks aluminium here. So friends, this is my new cabin baggage. I hope you will like it, and let me know how do you think, or if you have already have a different baggage or some other company baggage which is not pretty common. So do let in the comments. Yeah, thank you.